Okay, I'm trying out a new camera setup. Trying to add in a 360 cam so that you can see the outside world a little bit better. I'm still on 10.12.2, so I don't have 10.69 yet. But I figure since I've got the equipment now, I wanted to give it a kind of a practice run and see how things go. So we're just gonna go for a drive.
Now turn left onto 72nd Street North.
And hopefully my new camera doesn't fall off. I apologize for the squeaky suspension. That's kind of a new thing that should be fixed sometime next month. Okay. There's these like white line, not like temporary lines. I don't know exactly what they are. I don't think they're lane lines, but it's kind of keeping FSD from swerving into the middle of the road now, which is kind of nice. Got a pedestrian here. And it should go. It went way around that that child, which is kind of interesting. I've never seen it do that before. This is the right lane to be in. I'm happy that it picked this lane because the right lane ends. Wow, the whistle from that 360 camera is not great. It's kind of annoying. Oh well. Fortunately, we're not going to be going too fast. Okay, we are clear to go. Needs to go though, needs to commit. It took it a minute to commit there. Just put in some feedback. Okay, we've got to get over to the right lane shortly. Yeah. That's good. Okay, so it should creep up just a little bit, make sure that it can see. It's turned off the turn signal for some reason. Okay, there's... That's not good. Okay, it should go after this black SUV. I'm pushing the accelerator to help. Okay, I'm not sure what it's doing there. Oh. We're gonna have to pull over and fix the camera real quick. One moment, please. It should be able to handle this, no problem. Jerky. that squeaking noise is so bad. I'll send a little bit of feedback for that jerkiness. Okay, so we should be able to make a right on red here. Okay, that's fine. Little hesitant, and it's going into the left lane again. That's very interesting. Huh. A little jerky there. This is the issue with kind of slowing down, like reducing the speed very slowly, that a bunch of people complain about. I don't personally have so much of a problem with it, but it is technically, technically you do have to be going the speed limit after you cross the speed limit sign, so you should slow down before the sign. That's something that's going to need work. We don't need the turn signal there. Still don't need the turn signal here. Okay. Coming to a stop. Hopefully it doesn't linger too long, but it, yeah, and it lingered a little bit too long and slowed down pretty aggressively in the middle of the intersection, for some reason. Okay, creeping up. That's good. Commit. And pretty good. Don't have any pedestrians in the crosswalk, so it should not freak out. Alright, so let's go ahead and go home. Should turn. We really shouldn't be getting into the bike lane to make the turn. That does bug me. No, that's not the way we want to go. There you go. Okay. Had a little bit of a hard time figuring out which way to go there. Okay, this is a yield, so we don't have to stop. Kind of an aggressive brake there, and we are clear. Oh, okay. Oh, jeez. It's a little dramatic there, car. Okay, so it's gotta slow down so I can actually see. That's something that I've reported to the FSD beta team, where it seemingly doesn't attempt to slow down to see if there's any traffic coming up. There's a pretty big obstruction there on the left-hand side, so it needs to be a little more cautious there. And we're making the green, which is nice. It's gonna be a nice short ride. Got a truck partially in the lane. We just need to go around it slightly. Just go around it a little bit. It's not even that close. Okay, there's a scooter. Okay. Not elegant, but it handled it. And we can stay in this lane. Looks like it. Nope. Nope. Okay, it's getting over into the leftmost lane. I have no problems with that. And it's getting up to the line, unlike this guy next to us, who's... No, he started to scoot up a little bit, but then he aborted. Okay, green light. Proceeding. Okay. Okay, cut that a little bit. I would have liked to have seen it not cut that line as much. And then we can speed up a little bit. Be able to speed up a little bit more here once we cross the speed limit sign. Nice boost to get up to speed. Go up to 40. Slow down a little bit there. Okay, it didn't use its turn signal to get into the turn lane, but otherwise that was okay. the 360 cam. And it's still going, that's good. A little timid, otherwise not terrible. Okay, and a boost through the later bit of that was actually not terrible. Kind of fast there, that wasn't very good. We went over the white line, slowed down in the curve rather than before it. Okay, that also wasn't very good. We went over the yellow line. Both of those feel like regressions. I don't feel like I've experienced those issues in those places. See if it tries to get over early. Nope. Excellent. In the previous beach drive videos, you'll have noticed that it's tried to get over too early, so that's good. Okay. Ugh. Quite jerky. I don't like the boost there, but that's okay. Slowing down for that speed hump, which is good. And then not bad. Okay, that's gonna be it then. Let's see how this turns out. I have absolutely no idea how it's going to go, but fingers crossed.